Hey guys, welcome to Tech Fanatics. Today I will be unboxing a new MI Router 3C which I have purchased it on 28th August, and I had received it on Saturday and using it from the past 2 to 3 days. This router is 80 meters but it has 4 antennas, so it is easily wall penetrated. So let's check how is the router. So this is the box of the router. It is written MI Router 3C with high gain antennas, smart AP app control, secure Wi-Fi, and it is from MI. This router I had got it for rupees 1200 rupees from MI store. You can buy it on Amazon as well. So here it is given a brief idea. It is 3-step setup. Wi-Fi security. Wi-Fi security is protect Wi-Fi network by blocking suspicious devices. Notification. Whenever a device is connected, you will get a notification on that app. Then speed boost. It even increases the speed of the Wi-Fi, and it supports only 300 Mbps, up to 300 Mbps. Then here it is QoS. It is that you can manage a Wi-Fi device, the bandwidth, and how much data internet access means the speed, total speed of how much internet access can be given to a specified data. Here it is for parental control. This is mostly for kids, for not using any torrent site apps, sites and everything. And it is also, it can be used as a repeater if you have a Wi-Fi and a 3 BHK or 4 BHK house, and if you are not getting a proper range in the full house, you can buy this and use it as a repeater. And even you can restore password, import the ISP provided account username password from the previous router. Means you can take a backup from the previous router, which I had an eyeball extreme 150 meter, and you can sync Wi-Fi password as well, and it even tests the network. This product is not made in India, it is from China, so be note of that. And the MRP on the box, it is written 1200 rupees. So let's see what do we get in the box. So here I'll open the box. You can pull this and you can pull it. This is the Wi-Fi box. It opens like that. Sorry guys, I am doing it in single hand, so that's why it is difficult for me to open the box. This is the router itself. I am using it from the past 3 days and I have got an excellent feedback about this. This is the router. Let me keep it to the side. And this is the QR for the Wi-Fi app to be downloaded from Play Store or App Store. So I will show you how to make or configure the router itself. And down you get a charger and an instruction manual which contains all the information of configuring the router, etc, etc. So I'll show you the router, how it is, how much ports are there and all. So this is the router guys. It is very thin, and on the back it is all the data is given, information. Model number is R3L, and these are the ports. The blue port is where the internet, fiber or ISP connection will come. If you have a BSNL or an MTNL network, you will require an ADSL router, ADSL modem. After that you can connect to this router directly. So guys, I will put my fiber internet connection of Ion and I will make it ready for configuration, and I will be back soon. Only you have to do is connect your adapter and put your wire that is coming from the terrace or something from to the blue port which is near the adapter. This is the port. You should put it directly, but the problem only occurs that if there is a light problem or any problem for the network side, you can only say that here the lighting is coming or not. In other routers you had got all the lights here that is Wi-Fi, power, etc. Only this light blinks or is constant, that is blue color light, and if it is on standby it will be yellow color light. So guys, I will connect this and I will show you how to configure it. So guys, I will be back soon. So guys, this is how the router looks from front. I have connected the adapter and I have connected my internet cable, that you can see this. Here you can see the light blinking. So now I am factory resetting my router because I had used the router. So I will factory reset the router and I will be back soon. So guys, I will be back soon. So stay tuned. It will take a time. After that, after you connect it, you have to go to 192.168.3.1 and you have to read the terms of service if you are interested. If not, you can directly press agree. After that, you can go to this side or you can go to this side also. Let me put the password. You can put any password, and if there is many walls in your house or in your local flat, you can turn this on. By default it is on. You can put it off or you can keep it on. This is that your Wi-Fi device will be wall penetrating, so you will get a proper signal in the other rooms of your house. So now I'll press next. After that, you can put your location. It is I'm at home, and you can add your admin password or you can use the same password as your Wi-Fi. So I'll use the same password as my Wi-Fi, and to see the password you can click here. So now set up successfully. You can click on that, and now your router page will open. So now it is checking for better coverage, and now it will connect to my Wi-Fi network, and it will be ready up in a few moments from now. So guys, after that it will ask you scan QR code to download, connect to network or router admin page. So as you can see, my router has been connected to the network. So I will show you the admin router page. This is the best thing I have ever seen in the MI router or in any router. This is what. Now this is my Wi-Fi device. One device is connected, which is my laptop, and this is my internet. From here I am getting the Wi-Fi here, and from here I am getting here. So this shows my Wi-Fi devices, which is a laptop. It shows a desktop, but it is a laptop. You can give it the internet access from here, or you can disconnect it here from here as well. So now I'll go to my router. This is the traffic status. This is the MI Wi-Fi 3C R30L model number. This is the MI Wi-Fi update, means like MIUI or like TouchWiz. This is the update. Sometimes we get updates. This is the MAC address of my router. This is the serial number. So now as you can see, my desktop is connected. Only one device is connected. The KB used till now is 180.18 KB. So it is 100% used because I have not connected any devices till now. And this router has a MediaTek processor. So the frequency is 575 megahertz as of now, and one CPU core. It is CPU load is 1.20. It fluctuates from time to time. And here the storage is 64 MB. 64 MB means you can connect at least 8 to 10 devices. Then also you won't have any lags and anything in the Wi-Fi router. Sometimes as you connect many devices, your router gets laggy or hangs. So after that you can go to settings. So you can do all this, wall penetration. You can put it wall penetrating or standard or energy saving. This is a new thing, guest Wi-Fi. Now for example, you have some guest at home and you don't want to spoil your router settings, so you can switch this on and you can change the password as well. So then when your guest goes away from the home, you can disable it. So this you must select whichever country you are. I'm in India, so I will select it as India. It depends upon the frequency and it reboots after you do any country change. Note that this router is 2.4 gigahertz, not a 5 gigahertz router. It is a single band router. So guys, now the router is been restarting. It takes 20 seconds after restart to become normal. After restarting and after it is done, the indication light will turn into blue. If it is on standby, it will be yellow. Note that. So now my Wi-Fi has been turned blue and it has connected to my Wi-Fi. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.